Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel now. Hit that subscribe button. Bitmax token price prediction 2019. Bitmax Exchange is getting a lot of hype right now. Let's see what it's about. Disclaimer and general information. This is an education information channel. I'm not a registered investment advisor, and I do not provide investment advice. Any investments are highly speculative, and any losses are your responsibility. Do your own research before making any decisions, okay? So what is the Bitmax token? It's a token for the Bitmax Exchange. Bitmax token just listed 2 months ago. The 2019 high was January 9th, 2019 with one penny. Now it's at 5 pennies. There's a lot of hype surrounding the token. And that is what we have, 5 pennies with the high. The Bitmax token is price prediction for 2019. The Bitmax token follows the same pattern as the last major correction. BTMX is the symbol. My December 15th, 2019 price prediction for a Bitmax token is 15 cents. That's a percentage gain of 300%. Increases my Bitmax token price prediction for 2019. The current price as of March 7th, 2019, which is today, the current price is 5 cents. So I think it's going to go to 15 cents by the end of 2019. So my exact prediction is 15 cents. If you think it's going to be higher or lower, leave a comment below and tell me why you think it's going to be higher, or tell me why you think it's going to be lower. My Bitmax token price prediction for 2019 is between 15 cents to 20 cents by the end of 2019. Okay, by the end of the year. Leave your prediction in the comments below and let me know why you think it's going to be higher or lower, okay? Don't miss the next big crypto report at knockoutcrypto.com. We provide the best research in crypto. Join today at knockoutcrypto.com. Risk-free, you can't lose. Exclusive content and bonuses when you join. knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for following our channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video, and also comment on the video with your price prediction, okay? Give me your price prediction. I really look forward to you guys' price predictions. So comment below with your price prediction, and go to knockoutcrypto.com and join and get your report today, okay? Thank you for following our channel.